Hi guys, so I just wanted to take you through the new perfumes from Mary Kay. I've been absolutely loving them, particularly one of them. Sorry about the hum in the background, the printer's just settling back down again. So I've printed off some notes. I could only find notes for two of them, so the other one I will have to go off the website, which you will be able to see for yourself. And I will try and describe them to the best of my ability. Obviously not very easy with perfumes. If only you could smell through the camera, that would make life so much easier, wouldn't it? But these are the three that we're talking about. I showed them in my haul video the other day. Let's see if I can pick them up without dropping them. These are beautiful ones. So they're all brand new, and they have a theme, which is obviously the Fearlessly theme. So we've got Dream Fearlessly, Live Fearlessly, and Love Fearlessly. So let's talk through one of them here. Let's go through Live Fearlessly first. So this is the gold one. The box is absolutely beautiful. It's a purple box on the side there, and sorry about the glare, but it's sort of got a creamish colour, and it's embossed in gold lettering. So a really classy looking perfume if you're wanting to give it as a gift. In New Zealand dollars it retails for $73, so obviously if you're a consultant you'll get it up to 50% off, which makes it nice and easy and a nice cheap perfume. They're all Eau de Perfumes, so they are full strength, and it's just such a beautiful gold colour. I absolutely love this one. So what is in it, or what does it say about it? So we've got here, every day you show the world how fearless you are, confidently embracing life and all of its possibilities, always staying true to yourself and what you believe in. Celebrate your fearlessness, see the beauty in your strength. So what they say about this one, the notes are, they're in the family of Floral Woody, and it's preparing for everything that the day might bring with the fearlessness of Italian. This perfume is designed to give you a confident start, so prepare for everything the day might bring with the freshness of Italian bergamot and the energy and the energizing spice of ginger. The first impressions you will get are Italian bergamot, ginger, and lush petals. Then it has a feminine spin on it to capture your intense femininity with a strikingly beautiful and clean bouquet of rose, lily of the valley, and orchids. So you'll get rose, and then it will finish off with the final notes, which are fearless. Be who you are, with a soft halo of woods, warmth, and caramel notes of roasted tonka bean. So the lasting impression is the roasted tonka bean, cedarwood, Australian sandalwood, and vanilla musk. Love all of those things. So at your parties, obviously you don't want everyone spraying themselves with perfume because it's just going to get really, really confusing and they'll get overwhelmed with the smell. The best thing to do is to just pop it in the lid. And you don't want to sniff it straight away. And then you can smell it. It's beautiful. I'm not sure which ones I'm getting first though, which is really unhelpful to you guys. It's definitely got a muskiness to it. I can see why they call it Floral Woody. It's not sweet floral. It's definitely a much stronger masculine sort of a floral, if that makes sense. Not a man's fragrance, but just it's not that sweet lolly-like florals that you can sometimes get. Okay, let's move on, because then smelling the others may help me. Let's look at this one, which is Love Fearlessly. This one is in the beautiful red bottle. So this one comes in the magenta bottle, and this one comes in the magenta box. So once again, it's sort of a reddish magenta on the sides. It's beautifully gold embossed. This one is much sweeter. So this one's definitely your sweeter floral tones. Let's see what this one says. Your love creates beauty in this world. With courage and compassion, you care for those around you, loving them for who they are, fearlessly, unconditionally. You listen to your heart, you know who you are whole. With every heartbeat, you live your own life. So this one has some words that I have never seen before. That doesn't say a lot for me, does it? It makes me sound really stupid. But the aromatic family here, it says sharp, gourmand, floral. Help me out. Do you guys know what these words are? Have I absolutely butchered that name? I think I have. But anyway, it says a spirited introduction. Breathe in uplifting and optimistic notes of bay rose, sweet cardamom, and juicy mandarin as you begin the day. Then the middle tones are to showcase your strength and femininity. I hate that word. With a fresh bouquet of jasmine, dewy pink peony, and sweet plum blossom. And then finishing the lasting impressions, the final notes are Indonesian patchouli, Australian sandalwood, and sensual musk. So leave behind an aura of unconditional love with the captivating warmth of the Indonesian patchouli, Australian sandalwood, and sensual musk. It's really, really beautiful. If you like the sweeter florals, the more feminine ones, then you'll definitely love this one. It's still got quite a bit of strength to it because you do still get that hint of musk as well. But really, really lovely. And then the last one is my favourite, although I haven't really, to be fair, had a chance to wear the other two properly, but I'm probably because I'm obsessed with the green one, which is Dream Fearlessly. And this is the one that I couldn't find too many notes on. But this one comes in the green box. It is 50 ml, the same as the other two, but the box for this one is slightly bigger. And I think it's because it's got this stunning lid. So all the lids are different shapes on them all. So it's just beautiful. And there is something in this perfume that I'm obsessed with. Oh, I don't know what it is. It's something. Let's see what it is. So dream fearlessly. Follow your passion and chase your wildest dreams in a woody and floral fragrance. Get a confidence boost with each delightful spritz and change your world in an amazing way. So it's got top notes of Italian bergamot, rose de mai, pink peppercorns, and pineapple. The middle notes are night blooming jasmine, orange flower, and tiger lily. And then the bottom notes are patchouli flower, benzoy laos, and cedarwood. Dream Fearlessly opens with inspirational and energizing top notes and the sweet femininity of Rose de Mai. The empowering floral key. Floral key? Is that a word? I don't know. At its heart evolves into a warm, creamy background embellished by the rich sincerity. Creamy background embellished by the rich sincerity of the delicate patchouli flower. I'm not sure what it is I'm smelling in this one. It changes throughout the day on me, and it's almost, I don't want to say it, but it's almost like you get throughout the day this gorgeous baby powder smell. And I don't know, maybe that's the patchouli flowers. But because obviously they use patchouli a lot in soaps and things like that, and I've got patchouli essential oils, which always reminds me of soap and skincare. But there's just something as this wears during the day, and it's definitely more of a woodsy type one. Definitely agree with that. So yeah, absolutely loving that one. So there you go. Those are the 3 new fragrances. Let me know, what do you think? Have you tried all 3? Do you have a favorite one? I'd love to know what one you're really enjoying at the moment. And other than that, I hope this was helpful. There are some great notes on the Mary Kay website if you want to read them some more. And if you're a consultant, then I highly recommend getting the training notes for each of these, because that will help you describe them at your parties and appointments, as well as people just smelling them, because fragrances wear differently on people every single time. So it's not going to be the same for every single person. So hope that was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you all again really soon in my next video. Thanks guys, bye.